In the heart of Cape Town, South Africa, a silent epidemic thrives. Psychosomatic symptoms, born from racial tension and socio-economic disparities, are the unseen ghosts that haunt many. Picture a tree, its roots buried deep in the soil of adversity, its branches heavy with the weight of unresolved conflict. But imagine, if you will, the power to heal these invisible wounds, to unravel the knots of fear and pain, to nurture the roots with understanding, and watch as the tree flourishes anew. This transformation isn't a fairy tale, it's a journey that begins with a single step, reaching out. Picture a future where these tensions no longer control your life, a future where you're free to thrive, unburdened by the shadows of the past. The path to healing is here, within your grasp. Click the link to book your free 30-minute appointment. Let's embark on this journey together towards a healthier, happier you.